My name is Dennis Crow, and I came here to Synergy to the workshop to find out about, I was having some back problems and leg problems with, I think mostly sciatic, my leg numbly, tingly, if I sat too long. So I thought I'd come over and find out what it's about. I guess the one thing that caught my attention that I thought was really good is that he said that the pain is in one area, but that's not necessarily what causes the pain. The pain comes from maybe some other place, and if you take medication for pain, it may treat the pain, but it does not treat the cause of the pain or where it comes from. And I thought that was really interesting because he gave an example of someone, maybe their right hip was bothering them. As a matter of fact, it was a lady that he done a demonstration on. She complained of her right side, and I was assuming that the right side was a problem, but he said it was actually the left side was trying to adjust for the right side, and it was pulling it one way or another. But I thought that was very interesting, and I learned that. And I've came here, and I also have some shoulder issues too, and I've had a couple sessions, and I could tell a little difference in my shoulder, and I can tell some difference in my leg as far as the tingling going. But yeah, it was very informative. I think it's a good thing for people to come and see.